In this lecture, we will understand about the delta. Just look at the two situations. In first situation, suppose Nifty is trading at 9500 and the price of 95 call option is 140 rupees. The next day Nifty is 9600 and the price of call option is now 190 rupees. In second situation, Nifty is trading at 9500 and the price of 95 call option is 140 rupees, and the next day Nifty falls to 9400 but the price of call option falls to 90 rupees. It means when the spot price of underlying security changes, the option price also changes respectively. Now there is a question, if Nifty is 9500 and we are expecting a move up to 9900. We know that the value of call option will also increase, but how much? Now this is where delta comes into the play. The delta is the amount an option price will move with every 1 point move in the respecting underlying security. In other words, delta is the probability of option expiring in the money. For example, a delta of 0.5 means the option has a 50% chance to expiring in the money. Delta varies between 0 to 1 for call options and between -1 to 0 for put options. All the at-the-money call options have deltas of 0.5. It means for every $1 the stock price moves, the call option will move 0.50. All the at-the-money puts have a delta of -0.5. It means for every 1 point the stock falls, the option price will increase by 0.5 points. If you are selling an at-the-money call, the delta will be -0.5 instead of +0.5 because we are selling an asset. And if you are selling an at-the-money put, the delta will be 0.5 instead of -0.5. It means all the bought calls have positive delta, all the sold calls have negative delta, all the bought put have negative delta, and all the sold puts have positive delta. As expiry reaches near, delta of all the in-the-money options move closely with the stock price as there is no time value left when expiry is very close. Now in our first example, when Nifty was 9500 and the premium of call option of strike price 9500 was 140 rupees. As the call is at the money, so the delta will be 0.5. Now the second day, when Nifty was 9600, a 100-point rise in price, and for every 1 point change in price, the premium of call will change to 0.5 points as the delta is 0.5. So the premium of option will increase to 100 multiplied 0.5 is equal to 50 points, and the new premium is 190 rupees from 140 rupees. In the second case, when Nifty drops to 9400, a 100-point fall in the price. So the change in premium will be 100 multiplied 0.5 as the delta is 0.5 will be 50 points, and new premium will be 90 rupees from 140 rupees, a decrease of 50 rupees. In this way, we can calculate the change in premium of option with a change in stocks or index price. These are the approximate delta values for option price. All the deep in the money call options have deltas between 0.8 to 1, and all in the money call options have deltas between 0.6 to 1. All at the money call options have delta between 0.45 to 0.55. All out of the money call options have deltas between 0.45 to 0.3. And all deep out of the money call options have deltas between 0.3 to 0. All the put options have same delta values, but the deltas are negative instead of positive because we are making position in downside by buying the put options. Now can you answer the previous question? If Nifty is 9500 and we expect a move up to 9900, what will be the change in call option premium? Let's find out the answer. If we buy at the money call having delta of 0.5, the change in Nifty's price is 9900 minus 9500 is equal to 400 points. So the change in option premium will be 400 multiplied 0.5 is equal to 200 points. If we buy out of the money call option having delta of 0.2, the change in Nifty price is 400. So the change in option premium will be 400 multiplied 0.2 is equal to 80 points. It means the more is delta, the more is change in option price, because delta measures the speed of the option price movement. But why does speed matter? Why should we care about delta? Let's understand that in the next lecture.